Did you know that the average person consumes more protein than recommended? It's a surprising fact that many aren't aware of. In this video, we'll explore why this could be a problem and delve into the potential risks of excessive protein intake. Stay tuned as we uncover the truth behind this dietary dilemma. Protein is a fundamental building block of our diet, essential for growth and repair. However, consuming it in excess may lead to unexpected health challenges. From kidney strain to bone issues, the risks are real. As we delve deeper, we'll uncover why balance is vital. Let's explore the nuanced role protein plays in our health journey. In our quest for better health, many believe more protein is always beneficial. But let's pause and consider this misconception. While protein is vital, excessive consumption can lead to unintended consequences. Overloading on protein strains our kidneys, causing them to work overtime, which can lead to dehydration. Moreover, a high-protein diet might negatively impact bone health, contrary to expectations. It's crucial to recognize that more is better doesn't always apply, especially in nutrition. The key is balance. By understanding the risks of excessive protein intake, we can make informed dietary choices. So as we delve deeper, let's explore the surprising effects too much protein can have on our bodies. Stay with us as we uncover the science and expert insights that reveal why moderation is essential. Let's dive deeper into the consequences of consuming too much protein. While essential for muscle building and tissue repair, excessive intake can have serious health implications. Your kidneys may bear the brunt, working overtime to filter out excess waste, leading to potential strain and long-term damage. This increased workload can also cause dehydration, as the body needs more water to process surplus protein. Additionally, there's evidence that an excessive protein diet might adversely affect bone health by causing calcium loss, weakening bones, and increasing fracture risk. Scientific studies and expert insights caution against overlooking these dangers. While high-protein trends are tempting, understanding the risks is crucial. By being aware of these potential pitfalls, you can make informed dietary choices supporting both immediate health and long-term well-being. Stay tuned as we delve into more unexpected health risks that could change how you view your diet. As we delve deeper into the world of protein, we uncover startling truths that many might find alarming. Consuming excessive protein isn't just about straining your kidneys or affecting your bones. The real surprise lies in its link to severe health conditions, such as heart disease and certain cancers. While protein is essential, too much can act like a silent disruptor within our bodies. Studies show that a high-protein diet can increase the risk of these diseases, particularly when derived from animal sources. This revelation challenges the popular notion that more protein equates to better health, highlighting a critical need for balance and moderation. For those mindful of their health, understanding this link is pivotal. As we continue this journey of discovery, remember that knowledge is power. Being informed about the hidden dangers of excessive protein can guide us toward healthier choices. Join us next as we explore how to achieve this balance in your diet, ensuring optimal health without compromising essential nutrients. In summary, protein is vital, but balance is key to avoid health risks. Overconsumption can lead to problems like kidney strain and dehydration. Remember, a well-rounded diet is essential for maintaining good health. Prioritize balance in your meals and protect your well-being. Up next, share your thoughts and explore our video on balanced diets. We'd love to hear your thoughts on protein intake. Share your experiences in the comments below. For more insights, explore our video on balanced diets. Together, let's make informed dietary choices for better health. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. Your journey to balanced nutrition starts here.